Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to download Instagram Reels video. First of all, open up the web browser. After opening the web browser, here search or download. Click to open its site. Once you're in the site, click on Get Shortcut. After getting the shortcut, click on the Setup Shortcuts button. Then tap on Add Shortcut. Now open up the Instagram app. Once you open the Instagram, go into the Explore icon. Tap on a random video and click on the share icon to share the video with our download. Click on Allow and connect it with Instagram and it will download your video. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.